In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a table with a chart in Notion, transforming your data into visual stories for better insight and presentation. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to create a chart as a new database view in Notion. To do this, open Notion and locate the database you want to visualize. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your table, and from the drop-down menu, choose Add View. Here, you'll see various options for different types of views. What we're interested in is the chart view. Select Chart, and this will prompt you to define how you want this view to appear. Next, configure your chart according to your preferences. This step is crucial as it determines what data you'll visualize. You can adjust the setup based on the kind of information you want the chart to represent. Choose the specific properties of your database you wish to include, such as dates, categories, or numerical data. Most charts allow you to select the data type for the X and Y axes, so choose the options that will best convey your desired insights. Feel free to experiment with different configurations until you find the one that makes your data story clear and compelling. Moving forward, we'll discuss embedding a chart from a third-party service into Notion. If you have more complex needs or prefer the visualization tools from another platform, you can embed these charts directly into your Notion page. To do this, generate and embed code from the third-party service. Typically, this can be found in the sharing or export options of your chosen charting tool. Once you have the embed code, return to Notion, click on the page where you'd like the chart to appear, and type the / command followed by embed. Paste your embed code into the prompt that appears, and your chart should display right there within Notion. Finally, it's time to test and activate the chart. Go through the different sections of your table to ensure that the data is being represented accurately and updating in real time if necessary. Check for any discrepancies or issues that might arise from the configuration settings you chose earlier. This is your opportunity to make any tweaks to enhance the chart's effectiveness in showing the data narrative you're after. Once everything looks good, save your settings, and there you have it, a dynamic and visually appealing chart integrated seamlessly into your Notion workspace. And that's it for today's tutorial. You now know how to connect a table with a chart in Notion, which can help you to turn data into digestible visuals seamlessly integrated into your workspace. Thanks for watching and happy charting.